Hi everyone, today I'm going to talk about this paper towel holder for my kitchen and the bathroom also. But let's talk about the features first. So first of all, it's super sturdy. It's made of metal, okay? And it's very sturdy. And second, it has a quick release cap here that you can just remove it like that, and after you remove your hand, it's like locked and you cannot like move it, so the paper towel will stay on it. And this is very good when you are tearing out paper towels. It comes with this pack of screws that you can use it to install it wherever you want, in the bathroom or in the kitchen, wherever you want. The second thing that I want to talk about, which is, look at this. This is also a holder. This is my old one. This is the replacement for it. So there is an issue with this one. So when I put a paper towel here, paper roll here, like that, it's like every time I try to cut it, this happens. It fails, okay? Because this is not sturdy enough, okay? So what I can do is, instead of using that, I'm going to install this right here, and then I'm gonna get rid of this one. So let's install it. So now, after I installed the base itself, I can screw this back here, like that. Now, it's sturdy. All I need to do is remove this and put this one right here, like that. Okay? Now, I'm gonna put this back right here, like that. And now, I have it this way, and I can easily tear whatever I want, like that. See? Here it is. It's super cool and it stays in place. I love it. And once I'm done with this one, if I want to exchange it or remove it, I just move it like that. Yeah, I'm gonna remove this one because it's in the way, and I'm just gonna continue using this one. Yeah, I love it, and I think it's super sturdy. It's good. Thank you so much for watching.